Have you ever had a moment where the toner that you chose was not toning the way you anticipated it to be toning? Oh, I know. I definitely have. And when that happens, guess what happens next? When I look at it and I go, uh-oh, it's like my mind hits this internal anxious button in my body without my consent. And I start to feel anxious and the emotions start running high. And you know what happens when emotions run high, our intelligence runs low. It's hard to think clearly. So if you've ever had that situation where you go home after a salon day where you didn't have the best day and you're like, oh, why didn't I think of this? Or, oh, I could have done that. Well, because the emotions have now calmed down and you're thinking clearly. So I'm going to suggest something to you because this helped me when I had those moments myself. Is get yourself a set of grounding questions to ask yourself that are like you create this habit of asking these questions in this order. So when your anxiousness is high, you can kind of rely on these questions you've created for yourself, this habit, this order of questions. So here are the things you want to think about. When the toner doesn't go correctly, there's only 3 ways you can shift a color. Number 1 is you got to look at the color and ask yourself, is this toner not right because it's too light or too dark? That's the first thing. Second thing is this toner not correct because it's not the right actual hue? Hue meaning, is it gold, but it really needs to be a slightly warmer gold, like gold with a little bit of copper, or does it need to be moved towards copper a little bit? So that is hue. So is it the right hue or wrong hue? The third question, is this color too vibrant? Is the tone too vibrant, or does it need to be more natural looking, more muted? Those are the only 3 things you can do to shift a color. So ground yourself in those 3 questions so that when you come back to try to fix it, you're not like throwing things in the pot going, well, let's try this and let's try that. You know, I've done that too. And that's no fun. You don't feel in control of the color change. You feel out of control, and that makes you feel bad. So ask yourself 3 grounding questions: lightness to darkness, right hue, wrong hue, too vibrant, not vibrant enough. And that'll help you kind of ground yourself so that you make choices from that point on, and you can shift the color with more purpose. So if you hit those panic moments like I do sometimes, I hope those 3 questions help ground you so that you're ready.